All right, this video is going to briefly cover an issue we relatively run into when people are trying to code their nofollow links, and this is that the quotation marks that go in the code end up being smart quotes instead of straight quotes. So smart quotes are something that basically makes the quotation marks look prettier. If you look at my screen right now, I have some nice examples. These are straight quotes. See how they just go straight down, they look the same at the beginning and the end. These are smart quotes. See how they look different, see how they curve. Occasionally smart quotes will just be diagonal instead of straight, even if they both go the same direction. But if they don't go straight down, they're not straight quotes. First off, where do smart quotes come from? A lot of programs insert these automatically, like Microsoft Word. Anything with kind of an autocorrect feature will often just make the smart quotes because they look prettier than straight quotes. This is a problem if you're trying to cut and paste code in for a link. And this is why. Let's look right here. So this is what we want to code for our nofollow. REL equals, quote, nofollow, quote. That's all we need. But if you copy and pasted your nofollow, those quotation marks in there will be turned into smart quotes. Smart quotes are not accepted in HTML as quotation marks. So the code sees that you were trying to do a rel nofollow, and it inserts this extra bit of quotation marks for you. And this messes up the code, because inside those quotation marks, the thing that you're telling it to do is not recognized. If it was just nofollow, you'd be great. But with those extra two sets of quotes in there, you now have something that the code doesn't understand. So this can be a big problem. How do you know if this has happened to you? Well, there are a few ways to check. Right here, we're looking at 3 links to Wayfair.com. They will generally look the same. Right now, I'm running my nofollow plugin, so you can see that one of them actually has a nofollow. But links look the same on your screen regardless of code. However, these 3 links are coded in these 3 different ways. How can you tell if you coded it correctly? Well, you can always go to your HTML edit screen. Another option is to inspect element. To inspect element, you hover over a link, you right-click, you get this menu, and you go all the way down here to inspect element. Now, see on my screen here, I have this highlighted line, which corresponds to this highlighted portion up here. You can see when I put my cursor over the highlighted line, it shows me what it's looking at. And here I can see the code for my link. I see that everything's nice, straight quotes. If I go further down, oh, hey, now I'm looking at this link. So yeah, everything looks good. If you want to close this, all you have to do is hit this little X in the corner. So let's take an example of a couple links that were not nofollowed correctly. Here is a link. Let's inspect element. Now, this is crucial. Do you see this right here? This rel equals straight quote, smart quote, nofollow. Smart quote, straight quote. This is what you're going to see in your inspect element if you coded it incorrectly. Now compare that to this correctly coded link right below. This one has just the one set of straight down quotes. So let's take a look at this in the HTML screen. Let's go into our inspect element and switch to, this is the compose. Again, everything looks the same. Now let's go to HTML. And if you take a look, you can see that this nofollow is visible in my HTML as incorrectly coded. See how those smart quotes go diagonal instead of straight? See how they look a little different? And then compare that to this rel nofollow right below that. All you need to do here to fix this is simply delete the extra quotes. Make sure you delete the quotes in the middle and not the quotes on the end. The quotes here should look exactly like the quotes here. That's how you know you've done the right ones. So basically, the rule of thumb is don't copy and paste your code from elsewhere. As discussed in previous videos, please just type in rel equals, quote, nofollow, quote. Do that in your HTML screen and you will be fine, and you should have no problems whatsoever with your code. If you're going to copy and paste, make sure you copy within this HTML screen of a properly coded nofollow link.